Hi everyone! I am very happy you are here with me today. Today, we are going to practice English in a fun and powerful way. Are you ready to speak English more clearly and confidently? Let us begin with a beautiful story and the shadowing technique. Have you ever heard of shadowing technique? Here is how it works. First, listen to me read the sentence. Then, repeat after me. Copy my tone, speed, and pronunciation like a shadow. This is a simple but powerful method. It will help you improve your English. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon. Let us begin the story. In a small, peaceful village by the river, there lived a man named Sammy. Sammy was known for his skill as a boatman. Every day he ferried villagers across the river, guiding them safely through calm waters and storms alike. But Sammy carried something heavy, not in his hands or on his boat, but in his heart. Years ago, Sammy had lost his younger brother in a tragic accident on the river. Since that day, Sammy blamed himself. Every time he closed his eyes, he saw the past. What went wrong, what he could have done differently. His days became filled with regret. He started moving slower. His smile faded, and the villagers noticed he was no longer the man who used to laugh by the fire at night. One morning, a little girl named Amina came to Sammy's boat. She had big, curious eyes and asked, "Uncle Sammy, why do you look so sad all the time?" Sammy sighed. "I carry a heavy weight, child, a weight from yesterday." Amina tilted her head and said softly, "But uncle, if you carry yesterday, how will you see today?" Her words struck Sammy deeply. That evening, Sammy sat by the riverbank, watching the water flow endlessly toward the sea. The river didn't hold on to anything. It never looked back. It just moved forward. Sammy realized something powerful. His past was like the river, and he was trying to carry its stones in his boat. But the stones only weighed him down. From that day, Sammy made a choice. He would remember yesterday, but not carry it. He would honor his brother's memory by living fully, not by drowning in guilt. The next morning, Sammy took a deep breath, stepped into his boat, and smiled at the rising sun. For the first time in years, he felt light. And as the boat gently rocked on the river, Sammy knew the past was behind him, the future was ahead. And today was a gift waiting to be unwrapped. Reflection. If we look at our own lives, it's easy to get stuck carrying the weight of yesterday, the mistakes, the losses, the regrets. But the truth is, yesterday is a lesson, not a life sentence. The river teaches us to let go, to flow forward, and to embrace each new day without the burden of what has already passed. Let go of what drags you down. Honor your past, but don't carry it, because life is too precious. And today is too beautiful to be held hostage by yesterday. Now go back, listen again, and repeat each sentence out loud. This will help your speaking, listening, and pronunciation. If you like this story, do not forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you for practicing English with me. See you next time.